the greatest and the least resultant of two forces acting at a point are given as 10 Newton and 6 Newton respectively. Now, if each force is increased by 3 Newton, find the resultant of these two new forces when acting at a point at an angle of 90 degrees with each other. Okay, so we have to attempt this problem in 3 stages. In the first stage, we have to understand the first statement up to this. The greatest and the least resultant of two forces. We know that resultant R is given by under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And the maximum value of resultant is a plus b when theta is equal to 0 degree. It means that both vector a and vector b, they are parallel to each other. Okay, and this is maximum value. If you wish to find the minimum value, so you have to put the value of theta as 180 degree, and that value will be a minus b when vector a and vector b, they are anti-parallel. Okay, they are exactly acting in the opposite directions. Okay, now it is given to us that the maximum resultant is how much? 10 and minimum is 6. Now let's say the two forces that are acting is F1 and F2. Therefore F1 plus F2 is how much? 10, and F1 minus F2 is 6. We are assuming here that F1 is greater than F2. So if you solve this, you will get the value of F1 as 8 and F2 as 2. Okay, this is a simple linear equation which you can solve it. Now it is given to us that if we increase these forces by 3, that means the new value of F1 is 8 plus 3 11, and the new value of F2 dash is 2 plus 3 is 5. But now they are acting, this is 5 and this is 11, but they are acting at an angle theta equal to 90 degree. Now we have to find out the resultant. The resultant value will be, the new resultant Fr will be equal to under root of F1 square plus F2 square, and the angle that the resultant will make, okay, resultant will be somewhere here. Okay, and this resultant alpha, this angle we can find out. This tan alpha will be equal to F1 by F2. Okay, now let us find out what is Fr. Fr will be equal to under root of F1 square plus F2 square, and the value will be under root of 121 plus 25, which is equal to under root of 146, which is slightly more than 144. So this value will be somewhere close to 12. The answer is 12.1. Okay, and as far as the direction is concerned, tan alpha will be equal to 11 by 5. So alpha is equal to tan inverse of 11 by 5. Okay, so if you have a trigonometric table, you can find out the value of alpha, which will be equal to 65 degrees 34 minutes. This will be the answer. If you do not have a trigonometric table or calculator, you can simply write alpha as tan inverse of 11 by 5. Okay.